life mo, Christian?
Ayun nga.
Kailan siya?
Yung love life ko, meron naman. Pero hindi ko lang
Ayaw niyang iburat.
hindi na public yung details.
So, hindi ka single?
Ha?
Hindi ka na single?
Yun nga. Tingnan mo na lang yung social media ko.
Nakikita ko lang eh, dahil sinama
Ayun
kita
nga.
sa tito, ano to, yung tito, mga tito na...
Tito na ba?
galit. Hindi. So ano nga, okay,
Yeah.
are you dating?
I'm with someone. Hindi ko lang dinadivulge all the details.
So, non-showbiz na mas probably kasi ayaw mong i-ano eh, di details eh. Kung di
Makita nyo naman eh. It's online. Makikita nyo siya. Pero
Really?
hindi lang namin...
So pero wala sa Instagram mo, di ba? Kasi puro ka solo. Selfie.
yeah.
Sa events.
Yeah, you'll see us in normal events, in
Hindi
normal
ba malungkot
lives.
yun? Hindi kayo nagsiselfie yung dalawa?
Ha? Marami kami selfie. Nasa amin, nasa phone ko.
Bakit?
Why you make it private? I mean, anong
I
ano?
mean, it's not hidden, you know, it's not a secret.
Okay.
Pero we just don't like expose.
It's her choice or yours?
It's mine and it's hers.
Ba't napasok ka na ba before na very private before?
Hindi naman
public
sa
before.
napasok kasi it's negative when you say napasok. Pero it's parang it's a choice na that makes sense with my personality as well and her personality. Na hindi kami naman talaga loud.
Hindi ka ba na-pressure? Tinatanong ko ng mga fans mo, yung mga tagahanga mo na kailan ka mag-aasawa, kailan ka settle down.
She asked me nga, it's about, I'm at the right age, I guess. Pero malalaman nyo na lang na biglang, halimbawa, meron na.
Oo,
Pero,
kasi the last time I interviewed you, you said most likely the next one will be the one.
I did say that.
Oo, sa ano, studio dun sa
Yeah, even my mom said that. Did you say that?
So most likely, eto.
Abangan natin ang susunod na kabanata.
Pero you want secret ba na wedding in case or publicized? Ano
In
ba?
case, yeah, quiet.
Walang media. Hindi kami may
May mga style naman na gano'n, di ba? Meron yung mga very out na wedding, tapos meron yung mga secluded lang, tapos here's our
Send na lang picture.
Yeah, it's not my style. It's weird nga why I'm in this industry and I'm such a private person. It's so weird.
It took you quite a while to fall in love again. Ano ba yung hinanap mo this time? Ano yung, I'm sure you've learned a lot already from the previous relationship. Ano yung distinct quality?
I always say that naman sa mga past interviews ko na sometimes everything just works out at the right time. Qualities na you have longed for suddenly arrive in this person.
So sa guys, it's really true na it's a matter of timing? Ganun ba yun?
For girls also, na mahirap yung lagi ka na lang umaasa, nalulungkot. When, if you're single, there's nothing wrong with being single. Enjoy being single. Pero pag dumating na rin yung that partner that will fulfill you, it's a different level of joy as well and enjoyment. Are you single?
No,
Or married? No?
happy yan sa kanyang anak.